Good day, I'm Theodore Henry, and this is your JIS News for Thursday, August 15. The Ministry of Education is reporting a 1.5% increase in the overall passes for the CAPE and CSEC exams when compared to last year. Portfolio Minister Carl Samuda revealed the figures at a press briefing on Wednesday. Of the 32,617 students who sat CSEC this year, 29,139 or 89.3% obtained grades 1 to 3. Performance in English language by students in public schools increased by 7.4%. However, mathematics recorded a 54.6% pass rate to decline by 3.2%.
54.6% is not acceptable. It's too low. And the ministry is embarking on a program that we expect will bring about an improvement in that area. That's an area that we have run out of time, and we've got to improve our output in terms of the performance of our students in mathematics.
Minister Samuda says schools that underperformed in math will be receiving coaching support to help increase next year's pass rate.
Once the analysis of 2019 data is complete, the National Mathematics Program will review the coach development schedule as required to ensure that any critical schools not scheduled to receive coaching support are placed on the list to be targeted.
In the meantime, there are improvements in the science areas of integrated science, chemistry, physics, additional mathematics, and biology. Meanwhile, CAPE sitting for Unit 1 had a 91% pass rate, with Unit 2 showing 92%. High-performance areas were financial services studies, logistic and supply chain operation, agricultural science, Unit 2, and pure math. The safety audit of homes for children in state care is now completed and is currently being reviewed by the Child Protection and Family Services Agency, CPFSA. The audit was requested by Prime Minister Andrew Holness following a fire at the Walker's Place of Safety in January last year. Mr. Holness reiterated the call after another fire broke out at the Jamaica National Children's Home in St. Andrew last week. Permanent Secretary in the Ministry of Education, Dr. Grace McLean, says the report is expected to be presented to Cabinet in the last week of August.
Once Cabinet has reviewed, then the decision will be taken to make it public. But just to say, we have already started to implement some of the recommendations from the audit.
Dr. McLean was speaking at a press conference on the 2019 National Exit Exams on Wednesday. Industry, Commerce and Agriculture Minister Audley Shaw says government is in receipt of the first draft for an import and export regulation for marijuana, which is to be enacted by year end. The regulation will give the Cannabis Licensing Authority, CLA, jurisdiction to facilitate the import and export of fluorescent flower and extract oils.
We have also engaged a legal consultant to commence drafting instructions to inform the timely preparation of hemp regulations, as it is very important that regulatory framework is in place to enable marijuana and specific strains of hemp, that is high CBD strains, to coexist as we consider the protection of both industries quite important.
Minister Shaw was speaking at Wednesday's opening of Sensi Medical Cannabis House in Kingston. He says this opening is a clear indication of where the industry is moving as it increases the list of medicinal cannabis outlets in Jamaica. The Housing Agency of Jamaica, HAJ, has started work to deliver 3,600 housing solutions this financial year. HAJ Chairman Norman Brown made the disclosure at the recent groundbreaking ceremony for an $8.4 billion housing development at Ryan Park, St. James. Mr. Brown says a $990 million infrastructure upgrade at Brownfield Grange Pen in St. James is ongoing. The agency is also carrying out regularization and titling activities in communities across the island.
When we do projects like these, it increases the social harmony in the communities. It gives better access to the services that our people require from our government.
And finally, Tourism Minister Edmund Bartlett says 6,000 hotel rooms are to be developed along the Elegant Corridor at Rose Hall in Montego Bay. Minister Bartlett says the rooms will be developed over a 5-year period. Among the developments is the 1,700-room casino resort Hard Rock Cafe Hotel. Minister Bartlett adds that talks are also advanced to see to the development of a duty-free luxury shopping mall complex in Montego Bay.
What this means is that there's going to be demand for more housing. As we build retail, as we build accommodation, as we bring new experiences in the area, and as we also develop the capacity of the people within the communities to deliver on the supplies that the tourism industry needs.
The tourism minister was speaking at the recent groundbreaking for a 754 mixed-unit housing development at Ryan Park in the parish. And that's it for JIS News Today. I'm Theodore Henry. Thanks for watching.